Welcome again to another session of Torah thoughts of approximately 3 minutes in duration. Refer to the Torah source that is given regarding adult education. And that is something that we have gotten away from, and there has not been quality education given to a vast majority of Jewish youth and adults, for that matter. And here we have the silver bullet that's going to solve everything. And I'm talking about the Beis HaMedrash. What do I mean? I suggest that we have, for instance, on Sundays, in the Orthodox synagogues, I'm not talking about the Mickey Mouse types of organizations that want to call themselves denominations, but I'm talking about in the Orthodox synagogue, we should have a mashgiach. Mashgiach means that he's a pundit that knows everything about Torah, and he is having congregants and whoever wants to come to his study hall where the people do the work, where the people do the learning. And depending on where your background is, you want to try Gemara, which is in English and very hard but very enlightening and gives happiness. Or you want to try the books on ideology, especially about Rabbi Millers' books, who has given so much in ideology, or you want to just maybe read the portion of the coming week, or what have you. There are many books out there, depending on the level, depending where you are, and you don't have to feel slighted that you're not at that particular level. So that's what the synagogues should do. They should open up, say, for instance, on Sunday, say, like from 9 till 12, or 9 till 1, or even 2 sessions after lunch. But they should be growing in the imbibing of Torah teachings, whatever it might be. And wherever level you're at, you don't have to feel ashamed. Or you could bring your own book, safer, to the Beis HaMedrash to learn. But the main thing is that we can't have any of this doctored type of lunch and learn and speakers with catchy topics. Every individual has to learn. And that is the concept that the Torah teaches us, because it says of all the mitzvahs, that the commandments that we are ordered to do, only the study of Torah equals all of the commandments. So I hope you get on a bandwagon, and you can start this program in your synagogue.